The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
Have you ever heard of paper you can plant into the ground and it grows into flowers? Sounds like magic, but it's really just earth science and a little creativity. Today, we're making plantable seed paper. It's eco-friendly, super fun, and you can give it as a gift or plant it yourself to start a mini garden. Here's what you're gonna need: recycled paper, warm water, a blender or food processor, a bowl, a spoon or spatula, flower seeds, a screen or mesh strainer, a dish towel or sponge, and optionally, cookie cutters, a rolling pin, or colored paper for fun designs. Step 1 to get you going is tear it up. Rip your recycled paper into small pieces until you've got about 1 cup of paper. Next, put the paper pieces into a bowl and cover them with warm water. Let this soak for at least 30 minutes. The longer is even better. After you've got those paper pieces soaked, carefully pour them and the water into a blender. Blend it until you have a pulpy oatmeal-like mix. This is your new paper base. Now it's time to add the seeds. Pour the pulp into a mixing bowl and stir in your flower seeds. Don't blend the seeds. They might get damaged. Mix gently. When you've got your seeds mixed in the way you like them, scoop the pulp onto your screen or mesh strainer. Use your hands or a spoon to flatten out and press it out. You can also use cookie cutters for shapes. Make sure to gently press out as much water as you can, using a sponge or towel. This helps your paper dry faster. Leave it to dry overnight or longer if it's thick. Once it's completely dry, you've got your own plantable seed paper. To use it, just place your paper on some soil, cover it with a thin layer of dirt, and water it well. In a few days, you'll start to see little sprouts going right out of the paper. You just used recycled old paper, helped the planet, and planted some flowers all in one activity. That's science, art, and sustainability all working together. And it's just one of the awesome things you can do with 4-H and Extension. Scan the QR code or go to go.osu.edu/themoreyougrow to find more projects and 4-H clubs where you live.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.